All right, what's going on, guys? So it is Friday, September 15th. How's everyone doing? So you got a couple people here live. What's going on, guys? Of course, yesterday I was off, so Sammy went live with y'all yesterday for a little bit. So came back live. We got the alarm still going on. Or the join our live. I'm gonna go look at your truck right now. All right, guys. Gerardo, what's going on, Gerardo? So about the DS18 Gen 6, they're great, brother. They're great 4x6s, but honestly, they only have a certain budget. I mean, certain power. But if you want to go something louder with a 4x6, brother, go with the Kappa. Trinity Kappa is the best one to go, man. De dos, compadre, depende cómo lo que bocina es. Se puede cablear de 2 ohms a 1 ohm, subiendo los ohms para arriba. Carlos, what's going on, Carlos? So this is our cardboard course. My name is Juan from East Cardio. Aquí está la tarjeta, compadre. Our 2 phone numbers, address, and email. Ahí estamos. You want to take a screenshot of it? There it is, bud. Redskins, what's going on, brother? What's better, 10 subs or Memphis? Sundown all the way, bud. Sundown all the way to Memphis. Memphis has a clean sound, but if you want the big bass, Sundown's the way to go, bro. Awesome, Alex. Tag us. If you can, bro, Instagram, Facebook, even TikTok, that'd be great, bro. But yes, that'd be good, bud. The best shallow swells I do have normally are going to be the Gel Audio TW3s, brother, but I'm out. The best ones after that, I do have the PSW from DS18s, and I have this SPF on the shallows on DB drives. And then I have the PR from Memphis as well. So we could definitely have them, guys. Bobby, we have a lot of stuff for Can-Ams, brother. I do have packages for marine stuff available also on our webpage. I have also the tower speakers. Head up to eastcardio.net or even on Instagram. We have a lot of selection too as well there. But yes, sir, Carlos, I do have a box for your Dodge Ram, brother. I have them in 10s, 12s, and 8s. So let me know, bud. Let me show you your boxes of your Rams. So we got the regular carpet 10s and 12s, and then from here we have the 8s for the Dodge Rams. Shit, where is this? Is the one for your Dodge Ram, bud. For the 2.8s ported underneath the seat. So this is the best thing you do, man. Christian, it comes with all 4 speakers, brother. Read the description. It's 4 speakers, pair tweeters, and the amplifier, bud. DR Hugo, the best 8s I have right now, bro, is gonna be the G7s from DB Drive. They're rated at 250 watt RMS per woofer, bud. So $499 each. Now to power that, you need to have a good box and a good amp. So we do have it, bud. All right, LXT Bravo, what's going on, bro? So as far as bass wise, of course, Sundown, it works, but I'm a big fan of DB Drive. I vouch more for DB Drive because of their warranty, guys. So if you are bass head like me, you like to be thumping, I would do the DB Drive G5s or G2s. There's a great subs, guys. Gerardo, we got the new amplifiers, man. We have the 4320 MFA from the Apocalypse from Machetes. We got that too as well. Or if you want to keep it clean, we have the RD404, bro. That will work too as well. What's going on? 2012 Acura, what's going on, bro? Honestly, 12 gauge, 16 gauge NBS, that'd be perfect for it, man. Door speakers, we got a little bit of everything in door speakers, but also available on our website, eastcardio.net. We have all our website as well available. So we have different speaker package. We have just regular coaxials. We got mid-range. I got JBL, DS18s. We have a lot of them, Juan. Go to our East Car Audio page, bro. We have bass packages, voice packages starting about $299, and that includes 4 6.5s and 4-channel amp form from DS18. So we do have a couple of them, bud. Most likely, Nico, you're gonna have to modify, bro, though. Unfortunately, those have a way big of a basket for those Neos. So let me show you guys. Let me show you how the website works. No Terramps, Carnito. We don't carry no Terramps, brother. All right, let me show you guys how to use our website. I know a lot of people here are out of town, so let me show you guys. All right, so that's our website. Do not use the select your vehicle thing. Do not use that. That's not working. So I would do, guys. So for example, you want to look for the combos that we have. You can either type in DS18. We have the DS18 red tip combo, guys. Going for $299. Includes 4 6.5 red tips and the amplifier for $299. And then also we have all the different kinds of packages. Go to deals and combo. Go down to all packages. Click on it, and then from there we have the cup holder special, guys. We've been having that. We have the cup holder only. We have the Machetes. We have the Sylvesters. We have the Arnolds. So we got that, guys. So, and then of course you want to go different base packages. We got base packages, guys, for cars starting about $399. We have DB Drive packages, Memphis, Joel Audio, Alpine, Roger Fosgate, Marine packages too as well. So for your Marine, guys, if you go to Marine and put Marine combos, there's a couple Marine combos there, guys, for your side-by-sides, ATVs and all that good at. Yeah, Armando, Memphis good. The Memphis Mojos are pretty good, brother. They're really good. So de la Tajo Blanca, bro, if you want to just upgrade your door speakers, dude, if you want to do something typical, nothing too crazy, you could do something as far as the kickers. You're looking about $289 as far as all 4-door speakers with the install. You can do something like that. Yeah, bro, that's what I would do. V3 Velasquez, bro, it just depends on the amplifier, how much money you want to spend. It just really depends on you, what you can afford, because you could do roof racks like crazy, man, So it just depends on what you want, bro. Sebas really don't carry too much of Nemesis. We'll get him, but honestly, if you want to go mids and highs, I would go different brand personally. But yeah, but Kelvin, normally we do charge $25 per door, bro, to do an install on the door speakers. Jesus Robio, the WDX G2s, 8s, those I have them for $269.99, carito, each one. Yes, sir. We got the boxes and subs for the extended cab, for 2004 extended cab, we have them in 8s, 10s, and 12s, bro, depending on what you're looking for. Sebas really depends on you, bro. It depends on what you kind of sound you're looking for. You want people to hear you down the block or just something clean? It just depends on you, bro. Orion, we do sell harnesses, we do sell kits, we have a wide selection on harnesses, pack harnesses, and standard harnesses, so we do have everything in stock. But Spike, they do sell a separate DVD player, so if you don't want to have nothing built into your factory system, you can always get this headrest, or we can replace the radio. It just depends on what kind of radio you're looking for, Spike. All right, guys, so that's me right there. I'm about to pin it. That's me. If I don't answer you here through East Car Audio TikTok, you can always directly message me. So if I don't answer you through Facebook, you can through Instagram, TikTok, and all that, I'm sorry, you can always message me, guys. Nitro Man, depends on you, but if you want to do standard vehicle replacement speakers, let me know what kind of car you got, bud. Officer friendly, I do have a couple of packages for far shallow mounts. Now it depends, of course, on the mount you want to spin. We have your standard, for example, we have our gel audio package for $950. We have your badass gel audio TW3 series for $1549. We have Memphis packages, so they're shallow with the box amp and everything, and we have DB drive packages, and we have DB drive single cab packages. So it just depends on what you want. Nitro Man, 19 Ram Alpine. Okay, yeah, bro, we could do something like that. Now if you have something like that, Nitro Man, I would do either Infinity Kappas. I would do that. A little bit pricey, but we have some of those starting about $219 for the pair. But yeah, but user 3684 for Mustang GT 5.0 2020. What do you have? I have anything, bro. What you looking for? What do you need? Mike Long, it just depends on you, bro. It depends on your budget. We have nice base packages starting about $849 for your RAM. That includes box, subs, amp, wiring kit out the door. But that's gonna be a couple, options you have. So we do have a couple of options. But so let me know for an Avalanche. Okay, good question, bro. So let's say Jose Rosales. Jose Rosales, what's going on, bro? So you say you have an Avalanche. Type in Avalanche. There you go. So we do have boxes for Avalanche. We do have them in 212s, 210s, and even L7s, guys. We do both, Canito. Awake, we do cash or credit, brother. We do both, bro. And we do financing, guys. So yes, make sure you can also fill out an application here through the website. You can actually get stuff financed through Acima and Snap. But yeah, guys, so Avalanche, got the box right there for you, but I don't know what kind of subs you're looking for, but yeah. Okay, Sebas, that's a good question, brother. So I know a lot of people going with Apocalypse right now. Now, Apocalypse came in with the new speaker with the 8P X69A. This one right here, it is rated at 200 watts RMS per speaker, bud. So if you ask me what I recommend fixed by nines, I recommend you this to be loud. This is the way you go. The Infinity tweeters, honestly, I only have the components. I don't have no Infinity tweeters right now, bud. I know which ones you're looking for. I was trying to get them the other day. I can't find them either, but no, okay, I don't have no tweeters right now, but for Infinity, I just have the component reference. 1.5. You're looking for 1.5, bro. Honestly, Luis, that's a good question. 100% Infinity, 100% Infinity, bro. No matter what, Infinity, I'll vouch for Infinity all day long. Dry, we have a lot of packages, bro. This depends on you, bro. It just depends on you. What's your budget? What's the max you want to spend? Go to our website. We do have a couple base packages for any car or truck. So make sure you hit up at eastcaraudio.net, buddy. We can even ship it out to you, bro. Normally on those trucks, man, we do nothing but 8s. I recommend 100% do 2.8s, bro. No, James, unfortunately, we don't do no SSA. Honestly, Luis, that's a good question, brother. Is they have a lot of better sound quality, a lot more cleanness, a lot more of a surround sound. Basically, just clean surround sound. That's what they are, bro, compared to Memphis. Straight up. DXL, no Solo X15s, bro. I don't have the space for them, so I only have the 12s. I mean the 8s, X8s, and the SA8s. Malo Garsham, yeah, bro. DS18 have different kinds of models, man. Like the red tips are great. I love them, especially the silver tips are even better. Now, as far as the G series, the amplifiers, they're great, dude. I'm a real big fan of the G series amplifiers. They're good. What do you sound good on a 15 for bass? Almar, do 2.8s, bro. I always recommend for doing 2.8s on any car. Actually, any truck, I would do 2.8s, bro. We do have a bass package, Omar, going for $849. So I would recommend you doing that, guys. So if you do want to do that, let me show you the price on those. Head to our website, guys, eastcar.net. This is our base package. The goals underneath the seat for 2.8s, the box, amplifier and warranty kit, guys, for only $849. You cannot beat that, guys. Santiago, we got regular boxes all day long, brother, depending on what space, how much space you want to lose. El Tony, we have a lot of marine equipment, brother. We have a lot of marine equipment for bikes, so you can always shop here online, eastcar.net. You go to marine speakers. So it just depends on what kind of stuff you're looking for. So we have done all, so it just really depends on you, brother. No problem, Tay. Whenever you're ready, come see me, bud. Bro, a cheater, that's a big no-no, bro. I have all my base system DB drive. DB drive 3K, DB drive G2s. Yeah, I love DB drive. I don't know what you're talking about, bro. Sammy, it depends on you, brother. What you're looking for your Corolla. If you want base, I got base packages starting for $399, 210s, box app. Voice, I got some voice starting about $209. It just depends on you, bro. I have it all. Hey, cheater, the WDX G1s, I love them. I have a lot of love for DB drive. They're great subs, bro. Omar, yes, it does, but it does come for the truck for your for the box for your truck. Again, you can search it up here. So yeah, it is for your Ford. You see, I have it for 09 to 23 Ford F-150. So the box is made for yours, or for Ram, or for anyone, guys. So we just switch out the box for you. But yeah, Omar, that is for the box for your truck. Cheater, suspension tour 7 months in. Now, like I tell this, I could show you my sub that I have in my truck, bro. I've been having it for the last 6 years. The most important thing of a big subwoofer like that, the G1s, G2s, whatever, is the breaking in period. Breaking in period is going to be the key thing, guys, for you to last your woofer years. Unfortunately, we don't use a lot of EQs here. If we do, it's going to be a DB drive EQ. We can definitely do that. Man like Sunny, we do sell gel audio, brother. We do. Lineman, we do have a couple boxes. Check out our video on our TikTok. We do have a couple options for the Dodge Ram, but so we have the boxes for 10s and 12s and the 8s. So it depends on really on you, bud. Berto, I know that your Ram, you do have a pretty good space back in the back. I do have one single cab 8 box, but it's not going to be, I don't know. But if you're close by, Berto, bring it by. Let me look at it and see if it fits, because I only have one box, bro. User 455, why y'all move from? No, papi, we always been here in the same place. We've been in the same place for, the shop's been here 2000, more than 10 years. So we've been here, bro. We haven't moved. All right. George, hey, George, I'll hook you up on some 6.5s, bro. So come on. I'll hook you up I'll give you a good price on them. Trucker, you need a box for 2005 Dodge Ram. Yes, sir. We do have them around, we do have them too as well, but we have the box for 2.8s, 2.10s, 2.12s, depending on what you're looking for. Dareen, best shallow subs, gel audio, bro, TW3s. Honestly, user 6586, I recommend a lot of the kickers. I'm a real big fan of the kickers speakers. They're good factory replacement speakers. I do recommend them. So we could do something like that. Normally on all four-door cars, 6.5, you do about like 280 or 4 of them. Adrian, depends on you, bro. Depends on what's your budget. We have bass systems, we got sounds, voice packages. Depends on you, bud. But yeah, guys, so we have different packages depending on what y'all want to spend. You know, what your overall goal. If you want to be loud, if you want to be just decent. Factory replacement ones, I always recommend the kickers. Kickers are great. If you want to do a little bit of an upgrade, that's when I do the PR series from Memphis. And then from there, we have DB drives, we have Infinities, and we have DS18s. Just depends. That. Yeah, though, David, that center console is going to be for 99206 Chevy and GMC single cabs, extended cabs, or crew cabs. Holds up 1 12-inch sub, ported to 6.5 speakers and tweeters. Estas cajas, perdón, es para la 2007 para arriba Chevy Silverado, que son las extended cabs. No son las crew cabs, but it's going to be the extended cabs. Las que smaller, que tienen las puertas más chiquitas, no son las puertas grandes, pero las puertas chiquitas. Tengo la caja de 4.8. I do have a box for 4.8s, guys, for extended cabs, 07 and up Chevy and GMC. Then we have this one for 07 to 14 Chevy crew cab or GMC crew cab for 2.8s also as well, guys. David, we have the center console on special right now for $299, bud. $299. Come and get it, and it's yours. It does come with the cup holder, so you can put your drinks on there, and it comes with the connections from the front, so you can hook up your 6.5s, tweeters, and bass. Marquitos, you want to keep it something simple, not too crazy. You could do some nice DB drives. Those ES3s right there, you could do like for $80. Those are great speakers. Now, if you want to do something mids and highs, the JBLs are great. That's a definitely great option for the JBLs. They're like $90. Then from there, you could do also the Machetes. $90. They're great. So this is a truck we just did earlier, guys.
Thanks for love and support.